What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Starting the video off with a sigh, because this is just so silly. So much fear, uncertainty, and doubt keeps entering into the market. For the Shiba Inu army and the SHIB gang, you guys know that this is hopefully just something that is temporary, and we're going to overcome it. Donald Trump came out, as you guys can see, per the Independent, as a headline. Trump calls Bitcoin a scam against the dollar that needs to be very highly regulated. Of course, the market reacted, losing almost $100 billion. It was almost instantaneously. You could see that the dip was pretty significant across the whole market. And our own token, our favorite Shiba Inu, took a pretty hard hit as well. But it's not the only one. The entire market as a whole pulled back. Dogecoin, XRP, Binance Coin, all the others. And again, the problem is this FUD continues to occur over and over, time and time again. But for all of us that are smart investors, individuals that believe in cryptocurrency as an entire movement, what we're doing is we're doubling down. Doubling down meaning buying the dip. As you guys see here, there's a title that came out on CNN Business. So funny enough, a different news headline saying crashing cryptocurrency prices spooked some of the new investors. Others are doubling down. Real quick, look what VB has to say about the crypto space as a whole. 15 to 20-second clip for you guys.
Currency billionaire.
And it was definitely like one of the many signs that I saw around the same time that, crypto isn't just a toy anymore. It's a significant part of this new world that's being created. And that just means that we have to level up, and we have to really continue working hard at turning crypto into something that can be really good and valuable for humanity.
Let's talk about Elon.
I'm gonna stop right there. We need to level up, per VB's words. One of the most intelligent, the co-founder of Ethereum, said we need to level up to what? To hopefully make cryptocurrency something great for humanity as this new evolving world is coming about. Let's think about that for a second, right? As an entire globe, we haven't to this day found a single form of currency that is universal, right? Here, I live in the United States, I use the dollar. I'm originally from Sudan. We use over there the Janneh Sudani. That's the kind of currency they have over there. For me to go, every time I go back home, I have to exchange my US dollar for what? The Sudanese currency. And when I do that, of course, there's a transaction fee to exchange one from another. No blockchain verification, nothing like that. There's also black markets, other things that are along the lines that continue to what? To continue to manipulate prices. They're all pro-inflationary. Currencies, fiat currency is inflationary because what? Money printing will always occur. If you go back 2-3 decades, the dollar was worth so much more than it is today. Same thing for the currency in Sudan. It was worth so much more just even a couple years ago. It's exponentially increasing in relative to the dollar. It's increasing in price, making it less valuable over time. For cryptocurrencies with a finite circulating supply, guess what? That's not an issue. That can't happen because there's no more that will ever be printed. There's no more multiplication. There's no government entities that are controlling this thing. So Shiba Inu, being our own baby, is right there with it, right? Quadrillion is the maximum supply that there'll ever be. And as long as things continue to happen, these catalysts that are coming about, in my opinion, I think the potential is huge, guys. I think the potential is huge. It's tough to see when we're down 10, 11%, but that's when we double down. It's the most difficult thing to do, buying on the dip. It's psychologically tough to do because you're like, hey, where's it going to bottom out on? That's why we dollar cost average in. I mentioned it every single time. And guess what? I'm not here to try to hype up anything, but for Shiba Inu, with all the short-term catalysts that are on the way, SHIBASWAP is going to be released regardless. It's happening. The developers keep exciting us and they're giving us updates every single day on the Discord, and we know what's coming. Secondly, after SHIBASWAP, we also know a Robinhood listing, a Coinbase listing, all these petitions that are coming out. If the demand is there, it's going to happen. Webull is, right now, there's currently a new petition, and I'll post those, hopefully again on my channel, but there's new petitions coming out that are going to hopefully get Shiba Inu listed on more exchanges, and more people are going to be able to buy it, especially if it's on the main brokerages that are used across the globe like Webull and Robinhood. Speaking of which, if you haven't already signed up for Webull with my link below, guys. Take advantage of the fact that it is available. Now through the 17th, you get 2 free stocks when you open your account. First one is for free, $300 to $300 just for opening your account. Then you get a second free stock valued between $8 and $2,000 for depositing your first 100. You can buy cryptocurrency with it. You can buy nothing with it and just take your winnings out. You decide what you want to do, but go ahead and take advantage of that. And also with BlockFi, get your free Bitcoin. Allow yourself to take opportunities when they come about. When preparation meets opportunity. For you, preparing is literally just watching this video. And right now, preparation meets opportunity. By clicking the link in the description, you can take advantage of getting your free money. So I always want to make sure to give you guys those opportunities when they come about. Back to Shiba Inu. So a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the markets is of course negatively affecting it. We were doing so well. We were approaching that $1.7 trillion market cap, actually heading towards 1.8 just as of yesterday. But then we got hit really hard with the fact that all the FUD that's being spread by Donald Trump and others, of course, as well. The fact that media, they'll manipulate things here and there and change it up a little bit, which of course in turn does affect pricing. And also, a lot of people are still not paying attention to what's happening in the stock market. Right now, there's a huge potential for a lot of these things to short squeeze. And when a short squeeze happens, a lot of the cryptocurrency volume is stripped out, right? And put into things that have some potential. I keep talking about AMC. Gave you guys updates when it was at $30 some, $40 some, and it continues to grow day by day. AMC is undergoing, again, the shorts are still not covering their positions, so they're looking at some really fantastic potential for gains. So if you want to have the ability to trade AMC, click the link in the description for Webull. So get in on it. This might be a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And I want to cover it more, but Shiba Inu, again, is my biggest focus lately because, again, it has the most upcoming short-term catalyst that is going to turn this thing's valuation from $3 billion, in my opinion, easily to 30, and we can go from there even higher as more and more people start adopting cryptocurrency as a whole, right? So again, I don't mean to bring down the energy by any means. I'm still extremely excited about the entire crypto market, but the fact that FUD keeps circulating our entire space really is bothersome. It doesn't make us happy, but for all of us that are looking to pounce, right now is what I call a pouncing moment. And I know I mentioned that multiple times, but anytime I said under that 8 Satoshi unit mark, right now at 7.6 or 767 Satoshi units, this is a very attractive price. So looking at Binance or potentially crypto.com, I can't tell you whether to buy or sell, but I can tell you guys what I'm doing, and I'm looking to double down. Doubling down is what smart investors do who believe in the cryptocurrency space as a whole moving forward. Look at what VB said, right? He's still excited about the space. And again, what we're looking at is we're changing the world. We're not just changing the form of currency. No, the blockchain as a whole, as a verification step and process, is something that is going to one day change how we take care of our currencies, take care of different platforms, etc. So make sure you guys are just staying tuned. I'll give you guys updates as they come about. Today, of course, all the FUD that is being spread that is causing what? The prices to drop, which is frustrating. I'm right there with you. I'm empathizing directly because my portfolio is being affected just like yours is, right? I keep thinking that I'm buying the dip, but then it dips further and more FUD is being spread. But as soon as good news starts coming about, because guess what? I could care less what the man says. Personally, I can care less. If Warren Buffett comes out and says cryptocurrency is a scam, people who are actual wealth management advisors, individuals who are actually smart in the business realm, like Kathy Wood, for example, right? She's very bullish on cryptocurrency, has a huge significant position as a part of ARK Invest, looking at a $500,000 Bitcoin. Same thing. Why do we sell something that we believe in? That's why I say don't ever invest your money into something you do not believe in. Only invest in those cryptocurrencies or stocks or whatever, real estate, whatever it is you invest in, only invest in it if you believe in it long term, because that's when you will double down and buy the dip instead of selling and paper handing out of your position. So all the paper hands that are getting out, thank you for creating new opportunities. For all the people spreading FUD, I hope that one day, you realize that you actually did something that was negative and nothing positive from what you're saying. I've seen them in the comments, I've seen them around the YouTube space, but we're here as the SHIB Army to take over. We are here to get ready for hopefully what is going to be a wonderful 2021. We're just getting started, folks. The catalysts are on the way. SHIBASWAP is going to be released, and I'm excited to see what the future has in store for us. Get your free stocks with Webull, get your free Bitcoin with BlockFi, and until next time, my friends and family, keep investing.